Hello, I'm Ian Hoban. I'm here at the Engine Manufacturing Centre in the UK because it's here that we've been working on the latest addition to our new Jaguar lineup, the new 4-cylinder F-Type. Already recognised as the most dynamic, performance-driven Jaguar, the F-Type has continued to evolve since its launch back in 2012, and it has won over 160 awards worldwide. Customers can choose from an even broader range of F-Types, from the rear-wheel drive V6 340 PS F-Type to the 200 miles an hour all-wheel drive F-Type SVR, Jaguar's all-weather supercar. Now we would like to introduce to you the latest member of the F-Type family. What's new for this car is under that distinctive clamshell bonnet. It's our new 4-cylinder petrol Ingenium engine with 300 horsepower. It delivers high performance with improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. This new car, of course, is a true Jaguar and a true F-Type, but at the same time it has its distinct character all of its own. This is the lightest F-Type ever, with most of the weight reduction being over the front axle. This provides even greater dynamic agility and steering response. It's also quick, with a 0 to 60 time of just 5.4 seconds. It drives, looks and sounds like a true Jaguar sports car, and that's because it is.
I'm Errol Mustafa, Chief Product Engineer for Jaguar Sports Cars, and I'm here in the slightly damp Welsh countryside to talk about the latest member of the F-Type family. We've made a number of updates to the F-Type this year, including brand new LED headlamps, lighter, slimmer seats for improved legroom, and the latest Touch Pro infotainment system. But the highlight of the range is the introduction of the brand new Ingenium 4-cylinder engine. This 2-litre turbocharged unit produces 300 PS and accelerates the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.4 seconds. The new engine has also helped us to reduce the overall weight of the car by more than 50 kilograms versus a V6 variant, with most of the weight reduction coming over the front axle. That makes the car beautifully balanced and really agile to drive. Couple that with a 4-cylinder exhaust note, and this particular F-Type has a character all of its own. I really love the way this car drives. I'm really pleased with it. I like to think of it as the feisty younger brother of the V6 and V8 models. As you'd expect then, the car is really beautiful to drive on twisty roads, which is exactly why I'm here in Wales today, enjoying the best part of my job, driving it.